Hello students, ninth class. Today we will discuss physics lesson first, motion. First of all, we want to know the meaning of rest. In physics, rest and motion are two different states of an object. An object is said to be rest if it does not change its position with time. And with respect to surrounding का मीनिंग है कि अपने आसपास के कंपैरिजन में अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी पोजीशन में चेंजिंग नहीं ला रहा है, दैट इज सेड टू बी रेस्ट. Now motion. Most object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time. With respect to surroundings, अगर वो surrounding के comparison में अपनी position में changing लेकर आ रहा है, that is said to be in motion. Okay. State of rest and motion are two relative terms. These states depend upon surrounding. Means रेस्ट और मोशन आपस में रिलेटिव टर्म्स हैं. मतलब अगर बॉडी रेस्ट में है तो आसपास की मोशन में होगी. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस पेन इज इन मोशन एज कम्पेयर टू दिस पेज. ओके. नाउ दिस पेज इन मोशन एज here this page in motion as compared to this pen. Means अगर एक रेस्ट में दूसरा मोशन, then we define it. Now reference point. Reference point here, the point which describe the position of another point. Means कि जो दूसरे point की position को बताए. For example, that is your home, bus stand and school. Means if anybody coming to your home, okay, then you say that first you come bus stand and 4 kilometer away from home. Bus stand, that is our home. Means bus stand से आप अगर 4 किलोमीटर है, means bus stand आपके घर की position बता रहा है. That is called reference position. Reference point. मैं जो दूसरे point को define करे, position बताए उसकी, that is called reference point. Here bus stand is the reference point. Now next, distance. Actual path covered between two points known as distance. Means कि जैसे आपके दो पॉइंट्स है A and B और इनके बीच में जैसे ये डिस्टेंस है AOMN. ओके. यहाँ तो ये आपका एक्चुअल पाथ, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस. एंड डिस्टेंस इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी एंड आई टेल यू अबाउट व्हाट इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी इन द नेक्स्ट टू लाइन्स. नाउ मीनिंग ऑफ स्केलर quantity which is having only magnitude. Okay, only magnitude means here one example. Here two example, distance 5 kilometer and distance 5 kilometer no directions. Here what is difference between these? It is without direction and it is in directions. Magnitude in both, but in this direction, so that is called vector quantity. The quantity which is having only magnitude, that is called scalar quantity, and the quantity which is having magnitude as well as direction, that is called vector quantity. Okay. Now next one topic is more here. Displacement. For this we take example here. First of all, display shortest distance between initial point and final point. Means दो पॉइंट के बीच में जो मिनिमम डिस्टेंस है, that is called displacement. Here your home, that is school. If you go to A O B, that is longer path and that is smaller path. Okay, that is called displacement. Means minimum path between two points, that is called displacement. Displacement is vector quantity because in this direction of fixed and in this direction is not fixed. You may either go this side here and here this side. Now YZ is the displacement, that is called minimum, and AOB, that is called distance, that is called maximum. Means जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल स्कूल में बच्चे जाते हैं कई बार साइकिल पे, तो अगर मतलब अच्छा बच्चा है तो वो सीधा स्कूल में जाएगा. मिनिमम पास से डायरेक्शन फिक्स है उसकी. बट इफ़ एनीवन मीन्स कोई और स्टूडेंट है जो मतलब कि जस्ट लाइक टाइम पास, टाइम पर, तो वो क्या होगा, कभी कहीं पर खड़ा होगा कभी कहीं पर खड़ा होगा, तो टाइम वेस्ट करेगा वो अपना, उसकी कोई डायरेक्शन फिक्स नहीं है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस. ओके. Now initial point, the point where we start, starting point, and final point, the point where we stop or end point, known as final point. Okay students, next lecture we will discuss more points of this chapter. Till then, goodbye.